In this sixth lecture of special relativity, we gave a historical overview of the measurement of the speed of light. First of all, we discussed that until the end of the 17th century, scientists were still debating about the fact that the speed of light is finite or infinite. We presented the first ever recorded attempt to measure the speed of light, done by Galileo Galilei in Florence in 1638. His measurements, retaken later on by the members of the Accademia del Cimento in 1677, were however inconclusive for estimating the finiteness of the speed of light. We then presented the first ever measurement of the speed of light done by the Danish astronomer Ole Romer in 1676. Romer was able to estimate the speed of light to 2.2 times 10 to the 8 meter per second, underestimating its true value only by 26%. His measurements were based on astronomical observations of the eclipses of Io, one of Jupiter's moons. Specifically, Io's eclipses resulted delayed or anticipated throughout the year. Romer related this fact to the difference in the distance between the Earth and Jupiter throughout the year, hence being able to estimate a velocity of the light speed. The first ever measurements on Earth of the speed of light was conducted later on by the French physicist Hippolyte Fizeau in 1853. Fizeau's experiment made use of a rotating cog and a set of mirrors. By simple geometrical arguments, Fizeau was able to relate the period of rotation of the cog, delta t, to the light speed, c, and the distance between the mirrors, L. Using his apparatus, he estimated the speed of light to 3.133 times 10 to the 8 meter per second, overestimating the speed of light by its true value, which is just a bit less than 3 times 10 to the 8 meter per second.